Hey y'all, it's Nourishing Nate back again with another video. I'm cooking some chicken today that'll knock the socks off your feet. Now we're cleaning the sink. Most of y'all sinks be smelling like a can of Bounce That Ass 800 with a side of goddamn. Now we're soaking our chicken in salt water. Now slap that chicken like Ike did Tina. You gonna sing it the way I tell you to sing it. I'm trying, Ike. Now we're about to season her on up. You know what they say, don't you? If you ain't sneezing, it ain't seasoned. Mind your damn business. I ain't sneezed on the food. Now, you know us blacks, folks. We gonna always have black pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder. We put that shit on every damn thing, even if it's fruit. Now, you know I gotta have that Louisiana. You heard me, baby? What's happening with you? Now, pop her ass on in the oven on 350. Now pop the top on her, stand back and look at her. Now you know we gotta have that sweet baby Ray. All her ass down. Now this ain't no Diddy party. Get your head out the gutter. Now that's my video for the day. Another one by Nourishing Nay.